Hi, my name is Bryce Griffith, and I'm a 5th grade student athlete. I chose a concussion as my neurologic injury. The reason I chose this injury is because I may want to play high school football one day, and a concussion interests me. The format that I've chosen is a podcast style called Explain Everything, and I use this at my school. I have chosen science and technology as my two disciplines. A concussion happens when the brain knocks into the front or back of the skull. Concussions commonly occur with athletes. This happens because many sports include head-to-head contact or head-to-object contact. The parts of the brain that are most affected by this are the frontal lobe and the temporal lobe. According to a site that I researched on the internet, I found that the frontal lobe is responsible for functioning, planning, organizing, complex thinking, focus and concentration, and emotional self-regulation. The temporal lobe is responsible for processing, short-term memory, and mood regulation. What I have discussed so far is the science of a concussion. Now I would like to talk a little bit about the technology part of a concussion. This is a football helmet that is responsible for protecting the frontal and temporal lobe parts of the brain. What if a miniature computer chip could be placed inside a football helmet pad? This chip could be designed to measure the amount of force exerted on the frontal and temporal lobe parts of the brain. What if an app could be designed to transfer this information onto a smart device? Then doctors and coaches could use this information to determine what amount of force would be necessary to get a concussion. With this information, helmet companies can design better helmets that provide more protection to those areas of the brain. Now, I would like you to take a look at the padded part of the helmet that I circled in red. This is a drawing of what I think a computer chip and a helmet pad would look like. As you see here, I have labeled the temporal lobe pad and the computer chip. My design would have this computer chip be hidden inside the pad. I hope you have enjoyed how I think science and technology can come together to address the challenges of a concussion. These are the links that I have researched to make this video. Now I would like to take the time to say thank you for considering me for the Summer Enrichment Program at the University of Virginia. Go Hoos!